Oh no, who is that woman my husband is talking to? She is very beautiful. Could she be the new neighbor everyone is talking about? I heard that she is single and that her dream is to get married. It seems to me that they have been talking for quite some time. What do they have so much to talk about? I don't like this at all. Should I go over there to understand what's going on? I think it's better to wait until he comes inside and ask him directly because I don't want to seem jealous. Mark, I need to talk to you, and I hope you'll be completely honest with me.
Of course, my love. What do you want to know?
Please don't call me my love. Who is that woman you were talking to?
She's the new neighbor. Her name is Marie. She moved here a week ago.
And what did you talk to her about for so long?
It was a normal conversation. She introduced herself and wanted to know more about the neighborhood.
I don't want to seem jealous, but I don't want you talking to her anymore. I heard that she's single and looking for a husband.
Don't worry, my love. I only talked to her out of politeness.
I already told you not to call me my love. We'll talk about it again tomorrow. I want to sleep alone tonight. Mark, where are you going at this time?
I have to go to work. An emergency came up and I need to go to the office.
But it's Saturday night. That doesn't make any sense. Tell me the truth.
That's the truth. I'm late. When I get back, we'll talk about it in detail.
And how are you going to get to the office? Our car is at the mechanic's.
I'm going to get a ride with a friend. He must already be waiting for me. See you later, my love.
This story is really strange. I'm going to look out the window to see who that friend from work is. I can't believe it. He's getting into a car with a woman. Hello, Mom. I'm very upset. Mark said he was going to work tonight, but he's getting into a car with a woman. I think it's the new neighbor. I saw him talking to her today. She is very beautiful. What should I do, Mom?
Don't worry, my daughter. This must be a misunderstanding. When he comes back, talk to him seriously.
Okay, Mom. I'll try to stay calm and talk to him when he gets back. Mark, we need to talk. I know you lied to me.
Good evening, my love. Are you still awake?
Of course I'm awake. I was waiting for you. I saw you get into a woman's car. You said you were going to work with a friend.
I can explain. My friend went straight to work and I had to take a taxi.
Mark, I saw that the person driving was a blonde woman. It was the new neighbor.
No, my love, you're tired and confused. It wasn't the new neighbor. Tomorrow we'll talk to the new neighbor to clear everything up.
Okay, tomorrow I want to talk to the new neighbor. This story is driving me crazy.
Then, let's talk to the neighbor to clear that doubt from your mind.
Okay, but why do we have to go by car? She lives on our street.
I talked to her last night and she's in another city this morning. We're going there.
After everything we talked about yesterday, you still talked to her last night?
Yes, but only to arrange our meeting today. Don't worry, my love. Soon everything will be fine.
Don't call me my love. I'm very angry with you.
Alright, I won't say anything else. We're already arriving at her house. Good morning, Marie. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful house. What do you think, my love?
Yes, it's a very beautiful house. Are you leaving me for her? Because she has a big house.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a relationship with your husband.
I saw you talking to my husband in front of the house and then leaving by car with him.
Okay, enough of secrets. Yesterday, I really went out with the new neighbor, and we came to this house together.
I knew you two were together.
Wait, I'm going to explain everything. The new neighbor is a real estate agent. She told me there was a beautiful house for sale. But the house already had an offer to buy it, so yesterday was the last day to visit it. That's why I went out with her last night, and I couldn't tell you. I bought this house as a surprise for our wedding anniversary.
Wow, what a surprise. I'm very happy. Thank you so much, my love. And do you know why I'm even happier?
Why, my love?
Because now we will have new neighbors.